Hey, what's up my good people? Jeff CarBuoy here today. 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. It comes with a fuse box that I'm going to show you the location. This is 2016 and therefore subscribe guys, stay tuned. This is a 3.6 LVVT engine. And it comes with one fuse box location inside the engine compartment, and it's going to be next right here to the battery. This black box right here, so you pop out these tabs right here. So one tab and another one right here. Once you pop it out, you find this bunch of fuses and the relays right there. Okay, and then on the back of the cover right here, you find there is all fuse information. As you can see, the amperage, the functions, all your fuse information will be right here guys. Then when you're done, you just bring it down, line up your tabs, push it, and it locks in place. That's the only fuse box that I see on the Dodge Grand Caravan. So stay tuned guys, subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.